Who's absent today? Sadara, what am I doing? Only Jen is absent today? Others all are present, right? All right. If so, uh, again there is presentation. Morning time, who has done presentation? Sorry? Tesla Group. Anmol Adhikari has done presentation from the chapter ICT, right? What did you discuss? Come here. What you presented?
It was discussed about ICT devices, what are its importance in the modern life, and satellites is a device which is better able to send it into the space and to capture the things which goes under the space. And we have known about Nepal Sat 1, which was developed by Orchestra and Spain in 2019.
Ir Abbas Nasi.
I was masking, and this was our newspaper, magazine, fax, telephone, and word.
You can see here. Satellite is kept at certain height, and from one the message is uplink, from another message is downlink. Uplink, downlink, and it goes around the earth. And there are something we have to remember: LEO, MEO, and GEO. What is LEO?
Lower orbit.
Lower
Earth orbit.
Earth orbit. MEO. What is MEO?
Medium actually.
Low Earth orbit is here. Then geostationary orbit. And next thing we have to remember about the GPS. What is the full form of GPS?
Lower positions.
Global Positioning System. Full form ISS.
International Space Station.
International Space Station. Geostationary orbit is what is here? GEO, right? Now where is MEO?
Not here.
Medium Earth orbit is given here. Hello? GEO, geostationary orbit. LEO, low Earth orbit. MEO, medium Earth orbit. Satellites, 2019. Usage of information technology. Newspaper, radio, television, and okay, that was completed. I think now internet, Wi-Fi, and email. From there, the person is going to explain, right? Yes or no? So let's welcome on the stage the presentator. Who is the presentator? From which group? Hawkins. From Hawkins, who is coming? Okay, yeah, Kritika Adhikari, please come. After Hawkins, today this month, okay? Next day, next person will present.
Namaskar and good afternoon to our honorable science teacher and media team. As you all know, it's Kritika Adhikari from Group Hawkins, and I'm here to present some portion of ICT chapter.
Take that with the baby. On the baby.
So the topic is Internet, Wi-Fi and email. The Internet is the world's largest computer network system. And we all know that the Internet is the world's largest computer network system, as we are already familiar with it. It can be It can be connected through the wires or telephone connection provided by the Internet Service Provider or ISP, and it can be connected through the wires or it can be telephone connection which are provided by the ISP, which stands for Internet Service Provider. And we can get different types of information by using different search engines like Yahoo, Google, etc. The internet can be used to send emails as well, and the internet can also be used to send emails, and it is very cheap in price and it also a reliable means of communication. And email can reach its destination in no time. An email can reach in its destination or where we want to send email in very much less time. Uh, and next is global positioning, SYS or GPS technology. The Global Positioning System (GPS) originally is a radio navigation system owned by the United States of America and operated by the United States of Space Force. And GPS stands for Global Positioning System. It is a radio navigation system which is owned by the United States of America (USA) and is operated by the United States of Space Force. And it works with the help of satellite. It is one of the global navigation satellite system GNSS that provides geolocation and geolocation location and timing information to a GPS receiver anywhere on or near the Earth. And there are many navigation systems in the world like Russia, Global Navigation Satellite System (GLONSS), European Union Galileo Positioning System, Chinese Compass Navigation System, Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System, etc. And by saying this much, I would like to conclude my presentation. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So, said these things. One is internet, Wi-Fi, email. Next one, tele and GPS. This was only telecommunication. Which duty is this? Sorry, or only? So here is in telecommunication. There is data, sender, medium, receiver, protocol. Yes, sir. I think you were not there. Was there now? Which duty is there afterwards? Which group? Yours. Which one? From where you have to do? From basic means you are missing it. This one telecommunication. You must not miss. No, that much only. One will do. Otherwise, work will be more for you, right? So anyway, these are the advantages of ICT, internet. These are all activities what we are doing that is connected with internet, right? If no internet connected, then that laptop's material cannot be shared here also. Difficult. Then Wi-Fi. Nowadays, whenever we visit in any place, we just ask the password directly. But what is the full form of Wi-Fi? Wireless fidelity and email. So you are familiar with sending the mail, electronic mail, right? And this document also has come. This also came from email. I asked to my friend, okay, send me. He sent, and you also prepare the slides and send in email. So these are the boon to us. In GPS, they are every time talking about GPS. GPS, what is the full form of GPS? Global Positioning System. In foreign countries, all the vehicles are connected in GPS, so that wherever they are, how is the condition, in which place they have reached, we can find out. When you travel from one place to another by using InDrive or Pathao, they are also connected in GPS. So we can see in the map from which road the person is going. That is very, very essential. GPS is used especially in Google Map also. Suppose you are new in that particular area. What are you doing? You are going to make your hair like a girl's hair or Anubhav Adhikari? You want to be a girl? So you can tie your hair and come. Why are you making it long? Trim your hair and come. He was going to use burqa of his short hair. So if you have reached Pokhara, you don't know Mahindra Cave, then what to do? Just make your GPS on and just go. It gives you the way also. Turn left, turn right. Which one? Even in internet only you can find out. In Google Map. Okay? Google Map. Let's check here whether there is Google Map or not. Maps is here. Wait. I'll see you. Okay, this is the place. Baluwatar, Chandol. Where is our school? Osan.
Find now is
Yes, sir.
Let's say Osan. No Osan. Let's say Lele. Yeah, where is Lele? We don't know where that is. Lele bus stop. Lele police station, let's say. Lele president. Okay. Right? The direction. See?
Your location, sir. Upper one.
Yeah, Anubham. Yeah, I'm just typing. Anubham Vidya. Now we can search it. And then second. Yes. See here. Oh, from Chapagam we have to go. See here. In the place. 58 minutes it takes. It says. In car, 58 minutes. How far is it? 22.2 kilometers.
Sir, 54.
Lele.
No. Lele is far, sir. That place is 22 minutes.
This is Lele. From here you go now. From here you go 20. It shows you have been what are you? Out of here only 22 kilometers. Not like that. Anubham Vidya is only here.
Jumno, sir.
Yes, sir. Can we look outside of it? Oh, it's so in map of the over.
Central Zoo, I think it's zoo.
Can you show me the
Where you?
Upper one.
Upper, sir, upper.
Right. Oh, there. Open 3 they say.
Public education. Outside this one.
More photos, sir.
Someone's van was there. See?
And ban also being a famous.
Good school. This zone Acharya. Anubhida Sadan. It is very old.
Yes. This
Oh
I
my
think
God. Sorry, Susan Khan, Lajimpad, Kathmandu. This air was one. This air was over there last time, right? Yeah, go ahead. I like
Oh, stats.
Saurika Srestha, for viewers. Drishya Adhikari, Nikhil Dahal, Hari Shekhdel, Ramasankar Sahar. Ramasankar Sahar means the Roshan is father. If you like Ramboy. In that way, see, this is GPS system. Like, let's say, from Anupam Vidyasadhar, we want to go to where? Central Zoo. We haven't seen where yet. Central. Where? Central Zoo. Look at there. Look. How far is it?
5 minutes.
It is just 6.4 kilometers far away.
in car.
In car. Right? Now let's find another place. Where? Tell me. Pokhara? Okay, Pokhara. P-O-K-H-A-R-A. Pokhara Pizza House. Okay, let's see.
Oh, it's very long, sir.
12 minutes.
No, up to there, that is 12 meters. No.
That is Pokhara Pizza House, Kathmandu. So there is one place called Pokhara Pizza House in Kathmandu here. What are you talking about? Come on. No? Last time you have gone to Dhupu.
Yes, sir.
Have you gone to Dhupu or not?
Yes, sir.
Dhupu Khelpur.
Dhupu is personal input, sir.
Dhupu for the
Yes,
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 there. Okay, for that. Then okay, next one is to
Sam, no.
Like that, sir.
Sam, Ramanujan.
First one, sir. First one.
Ramanujan. Kim.
Ramanujan, sir. Type now.
Assam district code Mangal Sen. Okay, I see. How far is it? 741 kilometers.
20 hours.
20 hours 50 minutes. See the route,
One piece. Can zoom,
right?
sir.
If you go directly, then you can win this way. Hey, road is
Zoom,
here.
zoom, zoom.
Mahindra. Nagar. 18 hours 90 minutes. I think this road is better than previous one.
50 minutes in
Yeah.
flight, sir.
18 minutes?
50.
Here 18 hours. Sure.
No, 50. From
Two roads are here. Two roads.
I see.
Yes,
If you go from upper road, 17 hours 56 minutes. Lower road 18 minutes 9 minutes. Looking for Kiri something like that.
From in flight, got 50 minutes.
Kanpur here. Ayodhya. See, Ayodhya is there. Ram's birthplace. Gorakhpur, Etauda, Sitamarhi, Darbhanga, Chhapara, Banarasi. Yeah,
Dharma.
where?
Mumla.
Mumla. Okay, Mumla. Mumla.
Anne, Chamsi.
Simikot, okay. Mumla district hospital, Simikot.
No, only that.
Mumla district, no, one place there.
Yes, Simicot is very far.
Okay, what is the name of your place? Tell me. Then,
Sir, course, sir. Course.
no, first place.
You can who's qualified?
Oh, no.
Sorry, we could not calculate direction from all. I think there is no some better road system, right? That's right. Or Delhi, let's find out and you Delhi.
Who's qualified? There is no direct. Who's qualified? Sir?
New
Who's qualified?
Delhi.
No, Washington DC also.
New Delhi, India, okay.
I think it's only a flight.
No. 21 hours.
21 hours, 29 minutes. You can go like this. From plane, 1 hour, 30 minutes. India.
Sir, India.
India.
Sorry, sir. Who's qualified?
Sir, one step, what are you?
By 30. By 30. G-A-I-T-A-B-I. By 30 pattern. By 30 selection.
Sorry, we could not calculate, sir.
Direct admission. There must be some problem, right? Okay, Dhapa means. Okay, this is last. Afterwards, we can do.
Last one, sir.
Birta Mode. B-I-R-T-A-M-O-D. Birta Mode.
Lost, sir.
Dhapa.
Okay, done.
Birta Mode Dhapa. How
12 hours, 3 minutes, 45 minutes.
if you go in plane, 45 minutes. If you go from down this Etauda side, it takes how much?
12 hours.
3 minutes. It's a long way.
Sir, who's qualified?
Burj Khalifa?
Oh, Dubai, sir.
Dubai, say.
Yes, sir.
D-U-B-A-I. AI. Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Okay, sir. Only plane, no by. Very far away.
Sir,
See? Okay, that is all. So that is GPS system. If you connect, sorry, Kuala Lumpur. Kohalpur. ये कोहलपुर बाकी
yes, sir.
कोहलपुर बाकी
BANK.
how much? Yeah, it's a bit far away from Nepalganj.
Only 1 hour.
So-
1 hour.
By plane you can go up to Nepalganj 40 minutes. Otherwise, see they go from here.
Yes, yes.
Siddharthanagar, this Butwal,
Butwal, Chitwal.
I think nowadays this Butwal road is not so good. That's why going on your coming from down.
Sir, is that tunnel already open?
Sorry?
That land, the lobby
No,
set.
the construction of that is done, but whatever, they are just making refinement. Okay, that is all. Now take out your book, read, and make note of your own way. Mention everything. Okay, come on.